Welcome back to my channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. So today I am back with my new video. So today in my new video I'm going to show you how to make easy DIY aromatic candles for decoration. As you know that the Diwali is up on the upcoming date, so I thought an idea to show you how to make aroma candles at home, and that you can call also and scented candles. So let's get started with the procedure. But before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. And if you like the video, so share with your friends and just hit likes and subscribe button. So let's get started with the procedure. So first of all, we will make here a stand for the candle. Now take here for the making the stand, you are required here with one waste CD and one sheet drawing color piece of paper, and draw here a shape of petal using pencil. Now take here a piece of red color glitter sheet and just trace this petal over the glitter sheet. Note here you must take here a foam sheet and just cut it. Add Fevicol on the boundary of a CD and just start sticking these petals using Fevicol, and you can use here also hot glue gun. So follow this. So the quick CD stand is ready. See how beautiful it is looking. Now let it dry, as CD takes time to adhere with the Fevicol. Now for making the candles, you are required here with around 3 to 4 pieces of candles that is available in your markets. So let's cut it. So now just take here one knife and carefully just twist it like this, and now just start cutting the candle using knife carefully. Now just cut it like this, leaving this wick of candle, means this one wick of candle. Just start removing the layer along with it. Now see, I have cut it into the pieces like this, and it will be melt when then we will form a candle. And make sure that you keep the newspaper or something old cloth on the countertop, otherwise it will ruin your or destroy your table. And the list of material, I will be posting it in the beginning of a video or in the description box. You check it there. See, I paired this one color of candle, and don't throw the wick of candle, as we will use it on the top of a candle to use it. Now take here one pan and just take some water, as we will use here the double boiling process to melt the candle. And just take here one bowl and just keep it in the center. Now transfer your candle pieces into the bowl, and just make sure that your flame should be on medium. Now just using any skewer or just slowly melt it. And to give it a colorful look, I am adding one wax crayon available to you all at your home, and just put in pieces into the candle. Now continuously stir it. Now see, the wax crayon and the candle start melting. So see, it has formed a liquid. Now just close on the gas. Now just remove it from the gas and just pour 1 tablespoon coconut oil to it. Now take here any steel glass and just grease it with the oil, and just pour these wax into the greased glass. Now see, I have added the liquid into the glass. Now let it dry or set for around 3 to 4 hours. Added the white wick inside the candle like this, and I am also adding here some glitter to give it a shine. Now using skewer, I am just mixing it along with like this. Now just let it set around for 3 to 4 hours as I have told you before. So let's do. So the candle is ready. See how beautiful it is looking, and see it is ready, and and the thickness is also good of the candle. Take here one piece of yarn and just roll it around the candle and just tie it in the shape of a bow, and this will give good look to the candle. Now just I'm using here this foam tape, double-sided foam tape, for sticking the candle on the stand. So just add it to the bottom and just remove this layer and stick this candle above the stand. See how beautiful it is looking. So I have made other 3 candles, see, in the pink shade and one in the yellowish shade, and this is blue, which I have told you the process. So must try these candles, and it is very easy to create for the Diwali, as you know that Diwali is on the coming dates, and it will make your home look good. So I hope you all guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications. And you can decorate